Hey guys, we're going to show you how you can make PrizePick and Underdog plus EV and other mathematical advantage picks in PrizePicks and Underdogs. But first I kind of want to walk through the story of our site we launched about a month and a half ago. So I'm an average sports bettor, and I would take major books, so like FanDuel, DraftKings, I would look at lines, I'd have spreadsheets, and I'd compare it to Underdog and PrizePicks, and I would try to find mathematical advantages. The downside is every time I would find an advantage, the lines would move, right? So I'd be in FanDuel, and I would say, oh, I've got player X that here's an advantage, PrizePicks and Underdog are off. And by the time I'd manually go to those sites, I'd lose it, right? The lines already moved. So this is what we created the site for that very process. We've got a lot of pretty cool filters. I'm going to show them off here. So start with the Super Bowl tomorrow. We got the Patriots for Seahawks. I'm going to hit all my props. You can cherry pick these guys, but I'm going to select all for this example and load the data. So what we're doing is we're looking at FanDuel, DraftKings, BetMGM, and Fanatics, 4 major books, and we're comparing them to PrizePicks and Underdogs. So what I do is I take my 4 major books and we build this consensus line. So in this case, we got Kenneth Walker, player rushing yards, and we can see that the 3 books, I don't have Fanatics, but that's fine, it just skips it. So I've got 71.7 yards, and they're saying the over is the better bet. And you say, how is the over the better bet? Well, I look at this and I say my no-vig odds, I grab it and I say over, under, over, under, over, under. Which one are they giving the highest probability, or major bookmakers, and we're rolling what they're saying is the most profitable or probable. In PrizePicks and Underdogs, guys, it pays the same. It doesn't matter if it's over or under. It pays the same, right? There's no minus money or plus money in these books, and that's where we're building our discrepancies. It's the whole basis of our model. So if we look at it, we say 71.7, the over is the better bet. So if I look at PrizePicks, I'm sitting at 74.5 and 73.5 on Underdogs. They have juiced this the wrong line, guys. So you could absolutely slice and dice through this table, but we make it even easier for you. So if I click this plus EV filter, it's going to update my table, but it's also, we've got this tap to card view, and this is where it gets really easy. This is a crazy play, and I'll explain that in a minute. But we're going to start out with Drake May. This is a great educational example. So Drake May right now has 261.5 yards in PrizePicks. If I compare that to my 4 major bookmakers that we just looked at, he's sitting at 263.17, and they're saying the over has a slightly better advantage. Well, guys, if you look at PrizePicks here, you've got a 1.67 yards advantage over the books, right? You got value. So they're saying the over 263 is the better. I can buy it at 261. Now look at Underdogs. Underdogs has already juiced their line in favor of Vegas, right? So you're getting negative value in Underdogs. You could argue you play the under, but negative value for looking at this model. PrizePicks would be the better pick, and it's a great pick. I'm going to pick it. Next, we got Hunter Henry, 40.5 player reception yards. We're going to go 0.133. This is both for PrizePicks and Underdogs, right? Great play. You got some advantage. Under 40.5 gives us a little more than a yard advantage. I want to look at this one. This one is a kind of crazy play. Arroyo, our consensus is saying 0.5 is our best. Really high win percentage that they're going to play under. 52% in the NFL is phenomenal. But it's, basically you're saying he's going to have a catch or not. Fun prop to play. So that's it. And I'm picking these picks for analytics. We're not going to look at it in this video, but it's a great way to track your bets over time to see if your model's profitable. Guys, and we've won a lot of money on the site. And the same thing for Underdogs. So I can click on the Underdog filter, tap to card view. There it is. Right? See, look at this one. Under Stephon Diggs, Underdog's got a ton of advantage over PrizePicks. Great play, 1.67. 232.5 on Darnold. PrizePicks didn't have it, right? So this is another good one. So you can see, here's another one, 241. Play the under. PrizePicks has already dropped their line in favor of Vegas. They're doing the same thing, guys. They're finding, hey, Vegas is saying this. We're going to juice it up a little bit higher or a little lower to have even more mathematical advantage on you guys. So let's beat them at their own game. So guys, we've got a promo code going on right now. It's called Bet That. Use it to get your first month free. You can literally sign up, and if you're ever not satisfied for whatever reason, which I think you will be, you just hit this cancel button. As soon as you cancel it, your card will never be charged. If you want to reactivate it, you just log in and hit the reactivate button. So guys, you can literally kick the tires risk-free. Sign up today, guys. Good luck out there. I'm sure we'll be making some more videos. Like the video, comment in the video for any picks that you guys may have. Love seeing what you guys are picking. But we'll see you out there, and good luck.